At that time, I just thought that I get up there and do the best I can, like being on stage in a play. I didn't know, well, at that time, people were talking about what, you know, how other cases had turned out and the success of other cases. I didn't know how this case would turn out, but I have heard they talked about other cases, civil rights cases, and the fight for justice and everything. And some were successful, and there were some triumphs and some failures. Oh, well, everybody was talking about, oh, Claudette, you testified, oh, and they were just talking about it, my testimony. No, I hadn't heard of him before. The only one that we heard was lawyers. I heard of lawyers, but not judges. What is it, John Blue Hill? John Blue Hill? Right. But I never heard of any judges, yeah. No, I did not know them. They lived on there. I lived on King Hill. They lived on what we call across town, other side of town. They lived on this, then I think Mary Louise lived on, in Washington Park, Greater Watch Park area. And I think Ms. Browder lived on High Street. No, I didn't know. We was in different communities. Well, we didn't come together. We just, at the time of the case, we met in a room, like a room, Right. And it was brief, but no, that's it. No, I didn't think so. No, I was thinking that we were going to do it whether we were successful or not. Well, it's how you feel. Like, I guess it's to let me know that I'm not going to be a juvenile delinquent anymore. But how you feel, I think that it would be let the people know, inspire other people to press forward, and they will have more faith in the judicial system. And especially when they when they are charged with something and it's really unjustifiable,